Shalom, Cherry Pop. That means hello in French. So we're gonna make rainbow noodles, and I'm very excited. We're gonna get started doing it with noodles. If you like our video, subscribe and give us good thumbs up and click the bell.
Before we get started, I want to have a disclaimer, and this is for kids especially. Do not start boiling water without an adult supervision. Ask your dad, your mom, your sisters, or your brother, and your older ones to help you.
Or anybody that's in the
Yes, because if you do it alone, you can get yourself
burned and you're gonna cry and cry.
Guys, for this experiment we need cooked noodles, but we're going to be boiling our own noodles. You need zip seal bags to put the cooked noodles and mix it with the food coloring. So you need maybe about 6 or 7. You need food coloring. You need oil, so you can use any form of oil, preferable vegetable oil, or I'm using olive oil. Lastly, we need a container. Guys, the noodles is almost done.
And I'm
So we just cook it as normal. So I'm gonna rinse the noodles under a cold water now.
that we're doing this challenge.
Now we got our cooked noodles, so we're going to put them in separate bags. So Nini is gonna help out.
Cherry Pops, you're adding olive oil to all of the spaghetti package.
So the oil allows the noodles to coat in color. Well done.
Thanks. Put it aside and make a yellow, orange color. I mean, yeah. You wanna shake it? Shake it. It's so funny. Look at all these beautiful colors. Are they not pretty and nice and beautiful?
Guys, now the noodles are fully saturated, soggy. We're going to open the food bags and allow it to settle for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to run it under cold water to remove any excess food coloring. So these are all the colors we have. However, it looks very colorful.
We all have a beautiful color too. We got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. You can call it purple or violet. Cherry Pops, we're gonna arrange them and put them in lovely rainbow colors.
So we're gonna put it.
First, I'm gonna put the red in. Say hello, Cherry Pop. This is Nini's mom again.
So it's Nini's mom again. We got our noodles here. We're just gonna run it under the cold water. just to remove any excess color. Guys, or cherry pops. Alright, so we are done with the noodles. So we have rinsed it, and now the kids are playing. So to make it more fun, you can add kitchen gadgets, as you can see.
I add one kitchen gadget.
Yeah, she nearly got her fork. Then you can add play tools. You can add treasure coin if you want.
Anything you want.
Alphabet letters. And the kids are sure to have fun. So you can see, Ami, she is actually eating the noodles. So kids love to play with colorful things. It's just the whole tools makes it more fun and exciting.
Cherry Pops, if you like our video, please give us subscribe to our channel if you like our video. Give us good thumbs up and click the bell and bye.